You are welcome to smartphone graphic design tutorial using Pixellab. Before we continue, if you are new in my channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell and like this video. So in this video I will be showing you the tools in Pixellab and some of their functions. So let's head over to our Pixellab. This is our Pixellab. Then I will open it. If you open it, this is the default. This is how it will look like when you open Pixellab for the first time. So let's start with this one up here. This plus here, if you click on it, it is used to add text, current date, sticker, shapes. This from gallery is used to upload anything from gallery, then draw to draw a shape or whatever. So this second one up there is just to save as project. To save as project is just for you to save your work as a project in this Pixellab. So you can also save it as an image. This share button, you already know what share is. You can share your design after everything. So this thing like quote, it's a quote. If you click on it, you can get many quotes as you want, even motivation and so many of them. So this one is just for you to do many other things. Use image from gallery, full screen, use image from. As we go on, you get to know the functions of all these things. So this thing here is for undo. So this one is zoom. So this one is for grid, to add grid. So this one is for the things you imported or add to your design, including text, shapes, anything you add to your design. All of them will appear here. We get to know more when we go further. So let's go to the bottom layer of the app. The first one is selected. As you can see it, this first one is selected, and its first layer is my project. If you click on it, you will see your recent project. So this is my own recent project on Pixellab so far. So if you click on it, that you will see all your recent projects. So these things, default things, they are your design background, as in you can use any of them or you can just customize your own. So after that, we go over to the second one at the bottom with the icon A. If you click on it, you will see styles, edit, delete, copy to front to back, many of them. This one work on text. It will work on text. If you write anything, you will use it to edit your text or make it how you like. So you will get to know more when we go further. So another one is this one at the center. If you click on it, you will see sticker, import, and simply click import. So you see sticker, import, draw, shapes, bezier, arrow, many of them. So this one works on shapes. Yes, it works on shapes. If you add any shape, you can add any shape. If you add any shape, you can use it to edit your shapes, make it look anyhow you want it, or something else. So it's left for you, but you will get to know more. You will get to know more in the future tutorials. So another one is this one. If you click on it, this one work on the background of your design, the background of your design. You can give it a color or a gradient. You can give it any color of your choice, white or any color. So this one is transparent. That means you don't want to give it any color. So what I prefer color. So this one is image size. You can change the size of your design. This one image from gallery. So you get to know more in the future tutorials. So as I said in the beginning of this video, that this is just to highlight the tools of Pixellab which you are going to use when doing any designs, so that you will not get stuck anywhere. So coming to this last one, it is used to do another thing, rotate, another thing, style brightness, contrast, another thing. So let's come back to our default. So thank you for joining the class. In the next episode we will start our designs. Yes, so I thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.